Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today I explain the determinant or det. To find out the determinant of a given matrix. To take a given matrix A is equal to A, B, C, D. It is a 2 by 2 matrix. To find out the determinant of A is equal to A, B, C, D is equal to A into D minus C into B. It is a determinant of A formula for 2 by 2 matrix. For 3 by 3 matrix is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. It is a 3 by 3 matrix. To find out the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix is A into EI minus HF minus B into di minus gf plus E into dh minus ge. It is a 3 by 3 matrix of determinant of A. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 for 2 by 2 matrix. For determinant of A of 2 by 2 matrix is equal to 1 into 4 minus 3 into 2, that is equal to 4 minus 6, that is equal to 2. It is a determinant of A for 2 by 2 matrix. For 3 by 3 matrix is A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is a 3 by 3 matrix. Determinant of A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is equal to 1 into 9 5 into 9 minus 8 into 6 minus 2 into 4 into 9 minus 7 into 6 plus 3 into 4 into 8 minus 7 into 5, that is equal to 1 into 45 minus 48 minus 2 into 36 minus 7 6 42 plus 3 into 8 4s are 32 minus 7 5s are 35, that is equal to minus 3 minus 2 into 42 minus 6 plus 3 into minus 3, that is equal to minus 3 minus 12 minus 9, that is equal to minus 15 minus 24 answer. It is a determinant of A for 3 by 3 matrix.